Right, the new case we're pleading to is the active one case. Yeah, that's why we're.
I'm so sorry. I didn't have no babysitter this morning.
I
but
understand.
I
It's
just
just,
played.
it's just.
Welcome back to the courtroom, where today, justice meets redemption. In this emotional hearing, Judge confronts a mother with 8 prior theft convictions and a child watching from the sidelines. What starts as a simple plea quickly turns into a life lesson about honesty, responsibility, and breaking the cycle of mistakes. But will her words of regret be enough to earn mercy? Or has the system finally run out of patience? Stay tuned. This one gets deep.
Currently in school and working also. Everything is
But you're here not because of just this one event. How many? I'm looking at paragraph 2. 2 or more prior theft convictions result in subsequently, if you steal a pack of gum,
Yes, sir.
it's a felony the rest of your life, a felony.
Yes, sir.
How many prior convictions of thefts do you have? Don't tell her,
I don't even know.
Probably like 6.
ma'am.
Like 6.
6, 8.
8. Yes, sir.
I'm a stranger to you. I know more about your criminal history than you do. I should not be, because it's too many. These are all thefts. Angelina County, Jefferson County, Harris County. My gosh.
Yeah.
Do not steal.
I know I'm done with that life. I'm trying to spend my life around.
What caused all of this? What? I mean, you've got role modeling right here that you have to show and do. My gosh. God, what's the best gift you give to your child? What's the greatest gift you give to them? Good example. Because a child's going to do just what the parent does.
Yes.
They're going to emulate the parent because that's their natural role model. Nature does that to us. My parents, I role model after mine. All of us. Well, you don't want your child
Yes.
role modeling. You don't want to role model in the worst way.
I know that.
Fix this. This is dishonesty. Thou shalt not steal. It's in the good book. It's in the penal code. So it's not like we're ignorant about what our requirements are. Live honest. Harm no one. Give each person respect.
Yes, sir.
In 24 CR 1004, does the defendant Mariah Nicole Howard waive a formal reading of the indictment and arraignment? Can we proceed in summary?
No, because we're pleading in the other case, Your Honor. That's the one we're going to face.
Supposed to be chronological sequence. We're jumping the chronological step. All right, 25 CR 1350. You were Mariah Nicole Howard. This one.
Yes, Your Honor. That's the one.
All right. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of the indictment and arraignment? Can we proceed in the summary in this case?
Yes, Your Honor. Can.
In this one, ma'am, paragraph 1 alleges that on or about July 31st of this year, 2025, in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed theft. It looks like clothes. And paragraph 2 goes on to allege that you have 8 prior theft convictions out of Harris County, Angelina County. Is paragraph or these allegations in paragraphs 1, and these are convictions of, are these allegations in paragraphs 1 and 2 all true and correct?
Yes, sir.
And are you guilty of these allegations in each paragraph?
Yes, sir.
These are state jail felonies. This is a state jail felony, rather. And it means convicted, you face no less than 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail. And a fine up to $10,000 can be assessed. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
An agreement has been reached. Was that you, John, or the judge?
Hey, I didn't know to make those sounds.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. After a couple of days of trial, that's what I start sounding like.
An agreement has been reached where you would be pleading guilty, sentenced to 2 years in the, this can't be right, the systems, confinement in the county jail.
But I put in the wrong one, I
A
think.
misdemeanor thing.
No. It should be 2 years in the state jail. I might just put it on the wrong spot.
Okay.
Yeah, she get 2 years state jail, probably over 5.
You would be pleading guilty, sentenced to 2 years in the state jail. That would be suspended. You would be placed.
Here's what just happened, and it's critical to understand. The judge sentenced her to 2 years in state jail, but suspended that sentence. Instead, she's getting 5 years of probation, meaning freedom with conditions. She must pay back $1,612.20 in restitution to the store and complete theft prevention classes. In other words, this isn't just mercy, it's a test. Follow the rules, and she stays free. Slip once, and she could serve the full sentence behind bars. Would you say this is fair justice? Or just a delayed punishment? Let's see what the comments think.
On regular probation for 5 years. You would, there would be terms and conditions of probation, which are normal and customary for this type of offense. You must pay restitution back in the amount of $161.20. The quicker you pay that back, the quicker this gets dismissed.
Can I pay you today?
Talk to him. Yeah, talk to him. They've got to set up the file, but the quicker you pay it, the quicker I'll dismiss this, as long as you follow the other terms and conditions of probation. First of all, it's don't commit a crime. It's time. You that role modeling for the child. So how do you plead to this charge? Guilty or not guilty? Are
Guilty.
you pleading guilty voluntarily and because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
And paragraph 2, which alleges these prior convictions, all of those prior convictions alleged in paragraph true and correct. And are you pleading true and correct to paragraph 2, the prior convictions voluntarily and because those allegations are indeed true?
Yes, sir.
I show you the Mark States Exhibit 1, Jonathan. Thank you. Did you sign that document?
Yes, sir.
Understand it? Discuss it with your attorney? Are the contents all true and correct?
Yes, sir.
States Exhibit 1 tendered.
No objection.
In the evidence without objection. John, hold it down there. The lawyers get excited when I do this colloquy here.
I know I do.
Among other, so States Exhibit 1 is made a part of the record for all purposes. Otherwise, this court is one of the findings that you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. That's
Yes,
consent.
sir.
You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading guilty. There's sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea from State's Exhibit 1 admitted here to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. And I now find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of the state jail felony of theft. I am following this agreement. You're hereby sentenced to confinement in the state jail for 2 years. That confinement will be suspended, be placed on regular probation for 5 years. We can shorten it if you do well to a third of that. Please note, among other conditions of probation, there'll be a theft class that you'll have to take, but also you have to pay back restitution to stand by to the victim in this case in the amount of $161.20. And this is going to be Carter's Babies and Kids in Beaumont to the people, and it looks like Fonzie Jones is the owner of that entity. Make sure you follow those terms and conditions here that the probation is going to go over with you. If you fail, your probation could be revoked, and then you could be sentenced up to 2 years in the state jail. And who's going to take care of your dependents? This is, you've got responsibilities, not to yourself anymore, but to the child as well. The father, how's the father doing? Is he responsible and taking care of things?
He incarcerated.
He's incarcerated.
Yeah.
For what?
Aggravated.
What was the sentence?
8 years.
He's going to have to serve half of it, or he can be paroled. All right. The other case has been dismissed in this 24 CR. Stop computer 111004. That case is dismissed.
In the end, the judge gives her a second chance, 5 years to prove she can change, pay her dues, and raise her child right. With the father incarcerated, all eyes are now on her to rewrite her story. This case reminds us, the courtroom isn't just about punishment. It's about accountability, hope, and second chances. If you found this case as shocking and as moving as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real-life courtroom drama and legal breakdowns that make you think. Until next time, stay informed, stay fair, and stay tuned.